Okay, so here is the entrance to my apartment. There's always people out in my hall talking, like social gathering. And I'm sorry about the lights in here. For some reason, the GoPro, because of these new green energy lights, you can't see it with the human eye, but it apparently picks it up because I guess we have to save the climate. But so here is those are my doors. Very secure. It has a phone to buzz people in through the front entrance. And this is kind of the hallway when you come in. So it's got shoe rack, some storage, place to hang your coats and hats. And for in the winter, every single room has a radiator in it. They're not turned on yet. I guess the government decides when the heating's gonna go. And then here's the bathroom. And it's a small bathroom, but it's nice as far as standards go. It's got a sink. It's got a bidet. Nice little radiator, keep it warm in the winter. And the toilet. And I really like the tile in here. Like I said, it's a small bathroom, but the tile work is really nice. And it has a shower and a bathtub. Very, very small bathtub. Just basically you could get in and soak. I haven't ever used it other than to take a shower. And then it's got kind of the old style hot water heater right above the shower. And I will tell you something about this shower. It has incredible water pressure. I mean, I'm serious. You could take the shower head on this thing and you could like pressure wash a deck with it. It is great. So absolutely no complaints about water pressure here. Better than any place that I've lived in the United States as far as water pressure goes. And I'll save some energy and turn that off. And then when we go through here, and again, it'll be fluorescent lights, so it'll probably do that vibrating. But it comes into the dining room area, which is actually very spacious. I'm surprised this really wasn't made into a living room. As you can see, it's a moving day, but has a nice window. I've got the sealed up air conditioner, another radiator, a clothes drying rack, because here in Belgrade, I haven't seen any dryers, like heat dryers. Everybody seems to use the outdoor drying racks in Southern Europe. And it's got a really big table. It actually expands out, and you've got 6 seats, so you could really entertain. Has a little buffet with a mirror, and goes off of this room into the kitchen. Again, tiled floors. It's got a 4-position stovetop. Came with a microwave, kettle. Got an oven, a good size refrigerator, plenty of space. We've already cleaned it out because today's a moving day, like I say, but plenty of space in the fridge and in the freezer. And it is a Westinghouse. Always liked Westinghouse. They made, they actually, for a while during World War I, they supplied the Soviet Union, Russia, I guess at the time, with Nagants, Mosin Nagants. Plenty of cabinet space. It's got a dishwasher, to be honest with you. I never used the dishwasher. I just hand washed everything. And it had plenty of plates and utensils and glasses. So this has been a really good place. It's got track lighting, or not track lighting, but lighting there. It's kind of burnt out. I'll show you when we get in here. If you look up at you can see the chandeliers, and it's probably flashing and everything, but these are huge ceilings. They're like 10-foot ceilings, and they just really have really nice molding, both on the roof and at the top. This is the bedroom. Really good sized bed. We had some new pillows that we bought because they were fairly inexpensive, and why not? It's got some nooks to put some storage stuff. It's got a window, little dresser and a mirror. It's a 1-bedroom apartment, plenty of closet space. That's a 3-tiered closet there. Goes up, you can see. So all the storage space that we would need as part-time people. And then coming in, you can either go in through the bedroom or come out through the dining room. You have the living room, which this could easily be made into a 2nd bedroom, but it's got couches and TV, and this is a workspace. It came in very convenient. The time I was here, I was able to use that to run my laptop and stuff. And it has a balcony, which is, it's a really small balcony. I mainly used it more than anything to do my laundry, to dry my clothes and stuff, which is really good. So, good apartment. I paid, and again, I'm sorry these lights do this stuff. I don't understand why the GoPro picks it up. But this apartment I paid $600 for. I think, yeah, $600 a month, plus the utilities. They ran about $100. That's for your electricity and your water and your sewage and all of that sort of thing. Fairly good deal on there. Okay, so I'll go through the total breakdown of the costs on it, and we'll kind of end it here, and then I'll sit down and compute all the costs and show it to you guys. I'd previously talked about US dollars when I was doing this, but it was actually in euros. So the cost was 600 euros a month that I paid to my landlord over a period of 3 months. It was a 3-month contract. The utilities, excluding internet, was 100 euros a month. And then finally, the internet was 3,000 RSD for the month for 150 and 50 gigabytes for 700 RSD. So that's a total of 37 US dollars. And the location of this apartment, needs to be noted, was just a half a block away from the National Assembly. So it was a prime location in downtown Belgrade. So total cost overall, 732 euros a month. The lighting in here is just terrible. So I apologize for that, guys, but I got to deal with what I got to deal with. So I'm in my final hotel or place of staying while I'm in Belgrade, and I'm kind of made it full circle because the very first night that I came to Belgrade 3 months ago, I ended up in this hotel, the Hotel Slavia. It's right up near St. Sava's Temple, and it's on the circle, which is Slavia Circle, which not really in the city center. It's kind of right outside of it. It's in, I think we're in Zone 2, getting ready to go into Zone 3, but it's not usually the part of the city that at least most people think of when they come and stay. That's farther down near the National Assembly, all the way down to the Calvin Park and the fortress there. So give you a quick tour of this hotel room, the one that I got. Probably pricey for this area. For, you know, where I come from, it's not so much. I think I paid 70 US dollars a night for it. So half my audience will talk about how awful expensive it is, and the other people will tell me that it's cheaper than a Motel 6, and both of them are right. So, all right, so I've got a nice little suite here, couch, not a recliner, but a nice little comfortable chair, little stool, table, the phone and the lamp system here. It's nice. This place has been renovated. You got a window over there. I'll show you out that one when I go into the bedroom. But it's a pretty good sized room. Got the TV. All the luggages ready to fly out first thing in the morning. Little space there. Kick your shoes up underneath it. That's the entrance. And then out this window, I don't know how much of you can see. I've got some footage from before I'll show if not, but that is Slavia Circle. and you can see the fountain changes colors, gives you a free show lighting up. It'll go straight white here in a little bit, have different patterns of the water. It's actually really neat. You can just sit here and have a free show from your hotel room. It's really nasty outside. It's raining. It's been raining for like I think today is day 7, so a solid week of rain, coldness, and I looked at my phone and looks like it's set to continue raining. I hope that shows up so that you guys can see it through this camera. The GoPro, not necessarily the best camera for low light or showing you out to get things in the distance. So, all right, so we'll go into the bedroom and see, it's a good sized bed. You got a desk with a workstation, 2 little end tables. I think that's a radio on the one there on the bottom, but you got plenty of plug outlets, lots of closet space. So 4 bay closets. The bed pulls out to be or not the bed, the couch pulls out to be a sleeper. So it's, you could always have somebody extra if you needed to. And then the bathroom, hey, it's all right. You know, standard sink, got a toilet. Oh, the fluorescent lights, they're like killing me on here. Got a nice bidet and a bathtub with a shower curtain. Pretty good sized bathtub. I mean, it's very narrow, but well, I don't plan on taking a bath anyway. I'll be doing the showers, but if you needed to. And you've got the emergency SOS in case you fall in the shower. So, stayed here before. It's a decent place. Boy, that lighting's awful. I'm sorry, guys. You know, my Canon doesn't pick that up, but then again, you won't have the stabilization, so it's kind of a give or take. Plus, it's already packed because I got to get on a plane in the morning. So, I want to do a quick hotel tour since it is my last night in Belgrade. And I guess after I do this, I'll go and give my final thoughts on staying in Belgrade. The light is just awful. It's so dark on there. So I'll do one that like gives my final thoughts on Belgrade, Serbia. I have to leave. I have no choice. It's not like I'm deciding, ooh, I don't like it here anymore and I want to go. I get 90 days. I get 90 days in every 180 days, and I've used those up, and so I have to go, but I'm definitely going to be coming back. So, like I say, I'll do a video. It may be part of this one, who knows. I may attach it to it. I may do one separately that's basically going to be my final thoughts in Belgrade, Serbia. And, yeah. So, I would stay longer if I could, because I spent a lot of time in Belgrade, but not much in the rest of Serbia. And although I've enjoyed it here, I am aware that a capital city does not a country make, and that it can be very different and not necessarily representative of what the rest of the country is like. And I do want to see that. So I'm coming back. I've got some ideas on that. Like I say, I'll talk in that other video, or I'll attach it to this one. I don't know. All right, we'll see one way or another. Thanks.